Samantala, 10 individual sa larangan ng science ang kinilala ng Philippine Association for the Advancement of Science and Technology. Ayon po kay PhilAST President Fortunato de la Peña, naging basihan ng pagpili ng awardees ay kung naramdaman ba ng publiko ang kanilang ginagawa mula sa iba't ibang larangan gaya ng genetics, freshwater science, sustainability, agriculture, engineering at digital governance ang mga nabigyan ng award. Kabilang narito si Dr. Landon Ocampo ng Cebu Technological University na may pag-aaral sa pagkakaroon ng bioplastic o nabubulok na plastic.
Karamihan doon sa nabigyan ng awards ngayon, yung kanilang nagawa na naramdaman ng tao, no? Whether it was processing ng gulay, or whether it was the infectious diseases, or whether it is the e-health delivery na nararamdaman hanggang sa ibaba.
So ang ginawa ng team namin is to develop models kasi ang direction ng DOST at then ng NAST, the National Academy of Science and Technology, is on the use and deployment of bioplastics. They could be non-biomaterials pero yung degradability niya, meaning yung time niya to decompose, kasi ang problema kasi ng plastic is that yung time to decompose niya would take like thousands, merong mga thousands or hundreds of years.